Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious banana sorbet at home. First, select very ripe bananas. Their natural sweetness is key. Peel and slice them into 1-inch pieces, then freeze them solid for at least 4 hours, or preferably overnight. This crucial step ensures your sorbet will have the perfect creamy texture. You'll also need a small amount of liquid, like water or milk, and an optional sweetener if your bananas aren't quite sweet enough. Once your banana slices are completely frozen, it's time to blend. Transfer the frozen banana pieces to a powerful food processor or a high-speed blender. Start blending and gradually add 1 to 2 tablespoons of liquid, such as water, almond milk, or even orange juice, 1 tablespoon at a time. Continue processing, scraping down the sides as needed, until the mixture transforms into a smooth, soft-serve consistency. Be patient. It might take a few minutes to achieve that perfect creamy texture. Now for the fun part, customizing your sorbet. For a delightful chocolate banana sorbet, simply add 1 tablespoon of unsweetened cocoa powder during blending. If you prefer a classic flavor, a ½ teaspoon of vanilla extract works wonders. You can also incorporate a handful of other frozen fruits, like berries or mango chunks, for a vibrant, mixed fruit sorbet. Feel free to experiment with spices like a 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon for an extra layer of warmth. Your homemade banana sorbet is best enjoyed immediately, right after blending, when it has that wonderful soft-serve consistency. If you prefer a firmer sorbet, simply transfer it to an airtight container and freeze for about 30 minutes before serving. Any leftovers can be stored in a freezer-safe container for up to 1 week. Just let it soften at room temperature for 5 to 10 minutes before scooping. Enjoy this healthy, refreshing treat anytime.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.